How to share screen on Instagram video call. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, open Instagram on your phone. Then on the top right corner, there is a message button. You want to go ahead and tap on it. Tap on the person with whom you want to do a video call. Now start a video call by tapping on the video button on the top right corner. As you are in the call now, to share screen, tap on the video like option in the bottom in the middle. By tapping on that button, you'll be able to share screen or share any posts on Instagram. Here, there are all the posts that you can share to them. Just tap on any post and you both will be seeing that post together. And to share screen, you want to tap on share screen right there. As in this meantime, I am recording the screen, I'll not be able to share the screen. But as soon as you tap on the share screen button, you'll be able to share screen to that person with whom you are currently in video call. So that is a very simple way on how you can share screen on Instagram video call. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.